In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach board 31 in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to progress through all of the boards in Monopoly Go and how you can reach board 31 and any other future boards, so 32, 33, and so on. So if you want to check your current board, tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and go over to map. So as you can see on this account, I'm currently on Paris, board 4, and I can go all the way up to 31 and even further. So all that you have to do to progress through all of these boards is to build and upgrade all of the landmarks in a specific one. So for example, because I am on board 4, all that I have to do is build all of these landmarks here so I can spend the cash that I earn from rolling the dice, and eventually I'll be able to progress through this board. So all that you have to do is go over here and use your dice. Every single time that you roll the dice, you have a chance of acquiring a lot of money, and with that money or cash that you get from these mini games like Bank Heists and others, you will be able to make all of the landmarks in a specific board. So right here, I earned 90,000, and now I can go over to build and then keep progressing the landmarks. A lot of times you will earn bonus dice because of events and so on, so you can roll a lot. Once you think you have enough, go over here, upgrade all of the buildings that you can, and once you finish all of the buildings listed here, you can progress to the next board. So you just have to keep repeating these steps all the way up to board 31. Of course, for this video, I won't be able to reach board 31. It takes a while because the dice that you have are limited, but all that you have to do in short is to keep rolling the dice, and eventually you will be able to progress through all of the boards. Always check the build window, and sometimes you might need to fix your buildings if others have destroyed them. So keep that in mind. Check regularly. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach board 31 in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.